The Lyssa virus is an ancient threat, one that has haunted humanity for millennia. It is a terrifying virus that causes rabies, a disease that attacks the nervous system. Rabies has instilled fear in humans for centuries, often depicted in historical texts and art. This disease primarily affects animals, especially wild ones like foxes, raccoons, and bats. But it can spread to humans through bites or scratches, making it a zoonotic threat. The virus has a long and storied history, documented in ancient manuscripts and medical texts. Ancient Greek writings mention rabies as early as the 5th century BC, showing its long-standing impact. It was a feared and misunderstood disease for centuries, often leading to severe consequences. Today we know much more about how rabies spreads and how to prevent it, thanks to scientific advancements. Despite this knowledge, rabies remains a serious public health concern in many parts of the world, especially in developing regions. It's crucial to understand the virus, its transmission and prevention methods to combat its spread effectively. By doing so, we can protect ourselves and our communities from this deadly disease, ensuring a safer future for all. The Lyssa virus genus encompasses a group of viruses which are primarily known for their impact on both animals and humans. Rabies virus is the most well-known among them, notorious for its severe neurological effects. These viruses circulate in certain mammal populations, often going unnoticed until an outbreak occurs. Bats are a significant reservoir, playing a crucial role in the transmission cycle. Bats often harbor the virus without showing symptoms, making them silent carriers. They can transmit it through their saliva, which contains the virus. This can happen through a bite or even a scratch, both of which can break the skin. Other wild animals like raccoons and foxes can also carry and transmit the virus, posing a risk to humans and pets. Transmission to humans usually occurs through direct contact with infected animals, especially when proper precautions are not taken. Any bite, scratch, or even saliva contact with an open wound can lead to infection, making it essential to seek medical attention immediately. It's crucial to avoid contact with wild animals, especially bats, to minimize the risk of exposure and ensure safety. Lyssa virus infection, particularly rabies, presents a range of symptoms. The initial signs might be subtle. These include fever, headache, and general discomfort. As the virus progresses, neurological symptoms manifest. These neurological symptoms can include anxiety, confusion, and agitation. Hydrophobia, the fear of water, is a classic sign. This fear arises from painful spasms when swallowing. As the disease progresses, paralysis can occur. Without timely treatment, rabies is almost always fatal. The progression of symptoms underscores the critical need for immediate medical attention after potential exposure. Prevention is paramount in combating Lyssa virus infection. This virus, which can cause rabies, is a serious threat to both humans and animals. Vaccination plays a crucial role in preventing the spread of this deadly virus. Pre-exposure vaccination is recommended for individuals at high risk. This includes veterinarians, wildlife professionals, and those who work closely with animals. Travelers to endemic areas should also consider getting vaccinated before their trip. Post-exposure prophylaxis, or PEP, is vital for anyone potentially exposed to the virus. This involves a series of vaccinations administered over a specific period. It also includes the administration of rabies immunoglobulin to provide immediate passive immunity. Prompt action is crucial for PEP effectiveness, as delays can reduce its efficacy. Avoiding contact with wild animals is essential in preventing rabies transmission. Do not approach, touch, or feed wild animals, as they may carry the virus. Securely close garbage bins and store pet food indoors to avoid attracting wildlife to your home. Educating children about the risks and safe behaviors around animals is vital for their safety.